Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful toy haul or travel trailer comes equipped with backup camera ready, solar power prep, roof ladder, outside storage, patio door with screen, LED exterior lighting, triple step entry, power tongue jack, outside shower, mini blinds, mirrored wardrobe doors, walk-around queen bed, pull-out spray faucet, front bedroom, shower skylight, convection microwave, dual bedroom nightstands, ducted AC, pleated shades, corner angle shower, underbed storage, overhead storage, vanity with sink, LED interior lighting, closets on both sides of the bed, flush mount gas range cover, electric awning with LED lights, double door refrigerator, bathroom cabinet with mirror. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.